We are going to have about 2 examples in this video. And the first one is the volume of a rectangular pyramid is 224 centimeters cubed. The height of the pyramid is 12 centimeters. What is the area of the base? So I first have to identify the equation needed. Now I look back at my problem, and it says the volume of a rectangular pyramid is 224 centimeters cubed. So I'm dealing with volume of a pyramid. Then it says to write the equation for the problem. So I got to write down V equals 1/3 area times height. So, and then I got to substitute the values in. So I know that the volume is 224. And then it says the height of the pyramid is 12 centimeters. So where height is h, I put in 12. And these are all multiplied. When I have a number next to a variable, it means multiplication. Now I have to solve the equation now. Draw the line down. And I have to make sure both sides are simplified. So 224 is simplified, but the right side is not. But I can do 1/3 times 12, and I get 4 times a. And then 4 times a, the inverse of that is dividing by 4. And 224 divided by 4 gets me 56 equals a. Now I'm dealing with area. So if you need to on your flow map, write down area is squared and volume is cubed, but other than that, everything's going to be the regular units. So since I'm dealing with area, this is going to be centimeters squared. For my second example, we have the area of a circle is 452.16 centimeters squared. What is the radius of the circle? So we first need to identify the equation needed. And looking at the problem, it says the area of a circle. So I'm going to be looking at A equals 3.14 times radius squared, or 3.14 times radius, the same thing. So you're going to pick which one makes more sense to you. I'm personally going to choose the second one, and you'll see why in a second, but it does not matter. The other one is just shorter to write. Then we got to substitute the values in. So we know the area of a circle, of this one I should say, is 452.16. And we want to know the radius of the circle. So that's all the information I know. Now we need to solve it. So I draw my line down, and I'm trying to get r alone. So with the r on the right side is 3.14, and it's being multiplied, so we have to divide. And typing that into a calculator, 452.16 divided by 3.14, I get 144 equals r times r. Now this is something you'll learn quicker next year in 8th grade, but for now think, what times itself will get me 144? 5 times 5? No, that's 25. 7 times 7? No. 12 times 12? Yes. So r is 12 because 12 times 12 is 144. Now radius is a distance, so we don't square it, we don't cube it, it's just going to be 12 centimeters for the radius.